Hello! I'm gonna be doing my makeup. It's gonna look really good. It's gonna look like this. If you wanna look like this, or do your makeup similar to this, well, this is gonna be my first YouTube video, and it's gonna be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. If you like it, just keep watching. And if you also like my other ideas, also just subscribe and keep watching. Just click subscribe. Just subscribe and you'll see so much more. Let's get into this makeup video. Deuces. For today, I'm probably just gonna like fill in my eyebrows because they're so dark. I'll probably fill them in with a little bit of black eyeshadow. No, I'm not going crazy. It's black eyeshadow, but it don't look crazy on my eyebrows just because they're already dark and full. Depending on what color your eyebrows are, I'd go for just your color. And then after this, I'll probably put a little bit of mascara to like hold them down. You see how it's just, I'm just filling in where I don't have hairs. Yeah. Oh no, that was a little bit too much, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna hold my eyebrows down. Yeah, can you see? Let me know. Like that. Okay. Like this. Like that. You gotta watch out if you do use black eyeshadow, because if you use concealer, which I am, I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows. You gotta watch out because it'll start turning green and it'll look like tattooed eyebrows. You don't really want that. That's not really good. It's not a good thing. For concealer for your eyebrows, this is in my TikTok shop thing. This isn't even, I don't get any money from TikTok shop because I can't receive anything or whatever. I just literally promote stuff that I like, but I don't get anything from it. It's just because I like it. This is from like a pack of eyebrow brushes and it's in my TikTok shop thing. I don't know, you'll see it. I only have like 10 things in it. This is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. Here you go. Here you are. Oh, I feel like a YouTuber here. And then I'm gonna get my mirror, my hand mirror. It's an eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna conceal my eyebrow. This is like this is the best part. Can you see? That's literally just from this. That's so crazy. It looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. It's gonna look so good. My makeup's gonna look so good. Wait, I don't want my makeup palette to get in the way. Someone told me to not like conceal all the way to the front, and I did that for a while, and I'll probably still do it, but I love that person, whoever said that. It makes the eyebrows not look as harsh as like 2016 eyebrows, so I probably won't do the front. I'll probably do it like this, like that, and then I'll grab a different brush, like my blending brush, and then I'll like blend it in the front. I also have like a fluffy brush that I use to like conceal the front, like fluff it around. This is also preference. You could go to the front if you want to, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna leave it like blurred out right there because it just makes it look more, I don't know. I like it. Capri 630 right there. Oh my god, what an influencer. Oh Jesus, this color is so good. Okay, calm down. My hand's not that steady. Okay, that looks good, but I need to shape it more. My eyebrows don't really take me a long time, not as long as I used to take on them. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. I had to be at school by I think 9. I woke up at 5 a.m. every day to do my makeup. Every day. It was rare when I didn't do makeup. I did a full face every single day for school. That was crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eyebrow. Okay, these are my eyebrows. These are the eyebrows for the day, for the night, for the evening. Okay, so we're gonna go straight in. Oh, this is not my color. But it's okay because it isn't the makeup, it's the artist. You can make anything work. Oh my god, my cheeks are so red. You have to trust the process. I know it doesn't look like my color. I know it's probably not my color, but I'm going to make it work. I always make it work. I'm gonna make it work though, I promise. I have my bronzing BB cream thing that I can mix in and make this look good. I don't know if I should wet this or not. Yes, I'm going to. I have this is not setting spray, it's just water in a setting spray bottle. Never judge a book by its cover. No, you don't. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. It's gonna look so good in the end, and you're only gonna watch me. You're not gonna watch anyone else. You're only gonna watch me. You're like, oh my god, Julie the goddess, Julie the goodness. I love watching people do their makeup, but I can't watch like when they're doing their makeup, but they can never get to like the next step, or like they'll blend one time and then they'll like just sit there and just start talking. It's like, talk and do your makeup all like together. You don't have to just pause for every single thing that you say. I love this. Like in summertime and all that, when like you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, like heavy base or anything like that. I love this so much. It's so good. Dream BB Pure Skin Clearing Beauty Balm 8-in-1 Skin Perfector Solace. I'm not reading that. I'm not doing all that. And I'm gonna use my concealer brush. I use my concealer brush for everything, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna put that there. I'm gonna put a little bit here. I'm gonna get a little bit right here. Here. Right here. Right there. About my nose. Like so. Okay. So, on my lip. Here. Right here. Put some more right here. I'm probably gonna need more. This probably really isn't gonna do much. But I like to go little by little because you can always add more. But once you put too much, there's no going back. You have to restart your makeup. So, I love when my nose and like my cheeks look warm. I'm gonna get my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and brighten up my under eye. I don't like putting too much cream products on my face. So I think I lied. I'm about to put so much more. Yeah. I'm gonna use just the leftover that I got here so I don't waste it. Cause there's no point in wasting. So I'm gonna put it to use. It's gonna look good, okay? Give me a second. I need my small one. It's been a minute. It's all dusty. I like when girls don't put makeup on their eyelids and it's like, and they have like big eyelash extensions. That's kind of what I'm going for too. So I don't really like how this one has product on it and this one doesn't. I like the way this looks. I don't like the way this looks. So I'll probably take that off. And now I'm gonna get my yellow. I love yellow undertones. I'm not gonna get over this. This is my favorite concealer in the whole wide world. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Golden Beige, but I want to get back to shortbread. I love shortbread. I just had to get this one because I was really tan. Oh my, why is it so itchy right there? It burns. And then we're gonna blend this out. Just literally undid everything that I just did with the little bronzer that I put on. The little bronzer tint thing. What did I do with this? I'm scared. I don't want to try this and not like it and then my makeup be ruined just because I wanted to try something new. I'll do it after. I don't want to set my face with this. So I'm gonna get my Revolution banana powder because I don't want to mess up my makeup. I've been trying hard. To get it to look good for you. We're gonna get this beautiful powder puff right here. But what I like to do, I like to get rid of the creases under my eyes first, like that. And then I already have leftover powder on my palette, so I'll just gonna use it from that. I'm gonna get the powder, and right as soon as I don't know what I was saying. As soon as I blend out the creases, I set them. Cause I got the hiccups. Say excuse me. Excuse me. Please. Okay. I think everything is set except for like under my eyebrows, which I do very lightly. I don't really do much under my eyebrows. I just don't touch my eyebrows because I'm just so used to not touching them. So, but if you're like very touchy and stuff, I don't know what to tell you. Now, I'll probably bronze first so that I could look a little bit normal and not like a ghost, okay? This is the Fit Me Pressed Powder in 360 Mocha. I'm gonna get some like this. You can tell I use this a lot. You just start going at it. If you use a really big brush like this, it's really hard to mess up. So just get a big brush. If you use a smaller brush and you're like trying to like blend it, it's not gonna work. You're just gonna mess up. If this makeup doesn't look good in outdoor lighting, YOLO. It'll look good for pictures though. We're looking good, we're looking normal. And put that back, and then I'm gonna grab, I honestly keep switching brushes for my nose contour, so I don't know which one I'm gonna use today. I'm just gonna look at them, and then whichever one I'm feeling, I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna just do it. I like this brush a lot. I like the angle of it. I like the angle of it, and like it's also kind of thin, so it'll get in there, you know? I'm gonna contour a little bit up there, and then my nose right here. And you know what? Who cares about what it looks like from the side? Because as long as it looks good from the front, you're fine. And then I'll get like a random like fluffy brush that I got, like an eyeshadow brush, and just like soften it out, but not really, because I'm trying to have mine a little snatched. You see, like I'll get like a brush like this that has not really like a lot of stuff on it, except for fucking cat buzz, and I'll just fluff it out. Girl. I got this because everybody has this. I just wanted to give it a little try. Which one should I go for? I think I'm gonna go for the light pink. I don't think I would go for the dark pink. that too much? I think it looks good. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. 10 out of 10. But yeah, this is the Made Cheer. This is the actual setting spray. It's like they come with different like glitter colors. Like this one's like the goldish one. I love gold and like those tones. But let's see how this base holds up with this much spray. That's usually how much I put. So, but I don't let it just dry up. I know you're supposed to and everything, but I don't like that. I feel like tapping it in with a beauty blender like sets it in. It just like makes it feel like it does more. And I really like it. And I don't know what color to go with, but I love like, oh, that looks so good. Sorry, let me get out of it. I got the colors Ice Dream, Mighty Morphin, and Ladybird. Ladybird, I tested it on my hand and it was so good. But I still need to see if I'm gonna use that on my face. Hang on. And I think it's going to be this one. I think I'm gonna use Mighty Morphine. That's not what it says. It's Mighty Morphin. Morphine. It always works with the finger. Yeah. I need to wet my face again. I like to put on my highlight when my face is like damp. Oh, it's so beautiful. It looks so good. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Highlighted my mustache. Looks so good. Looks so nice. Oh, it looks so good. My face looks so good. Rub the excess on your pant. Should I try this little pinkish powder over my makeup powder? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I'll wipe it off. I'll wipe it off with my blush brush. It's okay. I don't know. Didn't really see anything happen. 0 out of 10. Okay, now my eyes. We gotta focus on my eyes now. I'm gonna make sure I don't got any makeup on my eyelids because I like the way that looks. I love it when you don't have eyelid makeup. Eyeshadow eyes. Then we're gonna curl them. Curl the lashes. Curl it. And you have to put on mascara if you did heavy makeup. If you're just putting on lashes with like no base, no nothing, you're good. But if you try putting on eyelashes with no mascara, your eyelashes are gonna be white and you're gonna see your eyelashes underneath these eyelashes. So don't do that. This is the She Glam Big Time Eyes Volumizing Mascara. These are the famous eyelashes that I wear that are like 2.5 years old. I'm gonna put them on. I like to put eyelash glue on my eyelid and on the eyelashes. Where is it? Is it over here? Okay, just drop everything, I guess. I think it's here. Yeah, I guessed right. This is the Duo eyelash glue. The green one. The green one. I don't like black eyelash glue because I'm too messy. I can't. Okay, we're gonna get some. Put it on the eyelash line like so. Like so. Like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna like that, like that. Put it on your lash line like if you were doing eyeliner. My face is so hot. I think it's the chemicals in this makeup. How do I look? Do I look good? I don't like when my ear pokes out like that. You're not supposed to blow on your eyelashes because of bacteria or something like that, but don't mind me. Don't follow me. Yeah. I saw a woman, a very beautiful woman, using a very beautiful lip liner, and I said, I want it. And I got it. And I will show you guys whenever I get here. Oh my god, it hurts. The tweezers that come with like the little eyelash extensions, they're so like soft. They're not like aggressive or anything. You gotta make sure that like on your eyelashes there's not like little hairs poking up because that will literally bother you until you take them off. Oh my god, that hurts. I like put it on sideways. I love fluffy eyelashes so much. My eyes burning. I hate when my eyes start watering up when I'm getting close to the end of my makeup. Okay, this eyelash is a little funky right there, but it's okay. Because from a distance it looks good. I'm gonna get a spoolie, a brand new spoolie, because a lot of mine have gel on them and I don't want stuff on my eyelashes. And I'm gonna literally like brush them and fluff them more like if they were eyelash extensions, because that's the vibe that they give me. They give me very like fluffy looking eyelash extension, eyelashes, whatever. I can't wait to keep making videos. It's so exciting. Oh, they look so good. They look so fluffy. They look so full, voluminous. I always debate on whether I want to put on bottom eyelash mascara, and I think I'm going to. So I can't mess up. Don't make me mess up. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me do anything, because then I'm gonna have to restart my entire makeup. You gotta watch out when you go this way because you don't want to get mascara on your nose. Don't do that. Then you're gonna have to redo everything. Okay. I think that's enough. I don't want to overdo my bottom mascara. Now I'm gonna do my lips. I don't really have anything for lips. That's why I bought that lip liner. I'm gonna get, these are like, I want to say like $8 on Amazon. They're called Dragon Rain Mini Lip Tint Strawberry. This is what it looks like. I just saw the box and I just wanted it. So I got them a long time ago. I have a hair right there and it doesn't want to go away. I gotta get it. Hang on. Give me a second. I don't think I got it. I got it. I don't ever know which one's like the orange tint and which one's like the pinkish tint. But I'm pretty sure I have the pink one in the car. So that one's missing. I like the pink one, but I don't have it. And I'm not going to the car. So we're gonna have to stick with this one. This one looks red. This one looks orange tone. I don't really want to do that. Let's look at this one. This one looks pink. This one looks pink. Yeah, it's pink. We're just gonna... For my lips, I don't really like when people put concealer on their lips. I do it on TikTok for the video, but it bothers me more than anything because it just mixes in with whatever you put on top. There's no point in doing that unless you are going for that like nudish lip, you know? Other than that, no reason. You don't need to put concealer on your lips to do a lip tutorial or makeup. Or unless you're doing like lip art. I love lip art. It looks so cool. Okay. I'm just gonna use my bronzer. My Fit Me pressed powder. I'm gonna get that and I'm gonna get an angled brush like that. And then go like this. I love the way like the brown and the pink just mix together. It's so delicious and nutritious. That looks cute, just like that. Now I want a lip gloss. This lip gloss is really old, but I love it so much and it smells so good. It's from Heavenly Beauty. I love Heavenly Beauty stuff. That's where I got my peach blush and I always use it, but I still have her gloss. It's probably expired, but I still love it. I've had it for like 3 years. I'm gonna buy a new one. Look at it. It's so, and it's not like sticky or anything. I love this lip gloss so much. I've used it all. So nice. Okay. This is what it looks like. I'm probably gonna do something to my hair because the hair doesn't like, or it does. Okay. How do we look? How does this look? How does it look? Should I go over my lunares? Do you think so? Okay. Moles are so gorgeous. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I don't really know because I didn't really try it because I was scared to, but I'll try it when I'm not really trying hard on my makeup, when I'm like giving it a go. So, but I bet I'll like it. I think the translucent one will probably be good too because I've seen a lot of people use it. And where's my... This is 100 out of 10. I love this blush so much and I saw it on TikTok shop for sale, but I can't order anything from there because I just can't. So yeah, this is Capri 630. Yeah, that's my makeup. Let me give a little show. Okay, well, that's it. I'll see you guys some other time. That was really fun. You guys, if you watch this, which you probably won't because nobody likes me, but anyways, where's my hook at? If you, what's it called? Comment. If you comment, I'll read it, okay? If you comment, I'll read it. And if you want to give me ideas for the next video of what you want me to talk about, which I'll probably just start talking by myself, like always. If you want to ask me something, go ahead. You can even send me like on Instagram, Juicy Goddess. If you want to send me like, I don't know, what you want, what kind of makeup tutorial you would want to see. Like if you would want me to give a tutorial on how to like do your makeup for a quinceañera or a wedding or just first date or prom or something like that, I could do it all. I'll do it all. I'll do it all for you. But yeah, toodles.